Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna start talking about methods in Java. So let's get started. So the first we need to know is that methods are what we call as also functions. Okay, so they do something. So to kind of make sense, you guys can see here a method every time you create a simple application on NetBeans. There is this method which is the main method. So every program in Java needs to have at least one function, and this function is the main function. But we also can have other functions to do other things. Okay, so this is a class. We'll create classes further on, but today we're gonna create a method. So a method is something what we call reusable code, because if we have a function to do something, we don't need to write it over and over again. We can just call that function to do that. So let's say that I want to have a function to greet someone. So I want to have a function. So because we are on a static, the main method is a static method. We need to create a static method as well. Let's just do public static as well, just to make things easier. Void again, because I'm trying to replicate this one. And let's call the method is called say hi to, just say hi. Okay, and we pass an argument. So this argument is the data that we're gonna kind of work on. So the data is string person. Okay, string, actually string person. Let's string message, just message now. And I'm gonna do system.out.println hi to, and we're gonna concatenate the message using plus. Okay, so I'm gonna call say hi, and then I'll pass uh actually I need to I forgot to pass the two arguments. So the first argument is person and message. Say hi to, yeah. I need to actually just person. Okay, person. Okay, need to get this right. Hi person. So you guys can see this is our code. I'm gonna pass my name here. So this is our function. If I run this, I'm gonna see hi Pedro. As you guys can see, because I'm concatenating the string hi with the name of the person, hi Pedro, and I could have other name here, such as hi. Uh, I don't know any. Let me see. Hi person. That would be very redundant, but it does work. Hi person. So the main takeaway here is that we have this function. We are calling a function passing a string. This is actually a very simple function. We pass the name of the person as a string, and we call the system.out.print line to print that message on to print that out on the console window. Okay, but I could actually do something more interesting. So methods can do so much more stuff, so much more interesting stuff. So let's create a function to add two numbers. Okay, so it's going to be very similar to this one, to the first one, to the first function, but instead of being void method, void means that it doesn't have any return value. We just run some code. Okay, but if we pass a data type, so I'm gonna add two numbers. I wanna have this to return a integer. Let's pass integer here, int, and let's give the name add to this function, and I'm gonna have int. I'm gonna pass two numbers as integers, int a and int b. Okay. And now I wanna to add two numbers. Just do int sum equals a plus b, and we need to return this. I'm gonna call return sum. Okay. So I have this add method now, and I could call a system.out.println function, add, and pass. As you guys can see here, I pass two numbers. Let's pass 1 and 2. If I run this, I'm gonna see 3 on the console, as you guys can see. So basically, methods are used to kind of reduce the amount of code that we have, because we can reuse some portions of code by just calling. Okay, so this is just an introduction video. I'm gonna talk more about this later on this course, because you're gonna use a lot of functions, so we don't need to know about them right off the bat. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.